Hey YouTube, it's Jay here, and today I'm going to be testing my nan's Berger alarm. So, just going to use the panic button and it will soon go off. Right, I'm not going to keep it going for long anyway because it's night time, so here we go. It's not flashing anyway. Right, we'll put the code in. There we go. F for panic. No, the strobe doesn't work, I'm afraid. Now the reason why Christmas lights. There we are. No, the strobe doesn't work because unfortunately it's something, because it just doesn't. Right, well that was the test, and then you just have to press reset to reset it. Can we get into focus? Oh yeah, then you just press that to reset it. There we are. It's back to normal. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Do give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe as well. See ya.